student, welcome to all of you. Student, in this video we will cover the lesson first and seconds, all the question answer and the exercise, because lesson first and second is coming in your unit test. That's why I have made this video. So let's start it. So lesson first is faith can move mountains. Let's see what is the exercise given in this video. So question answer is नंबर ए इज वॉट डिड टीज नीड फॉर मनी. टीज को मनी की क्या आवश्यकता थी. सो टीज मनी नीड मनी फॉर बाइंग मिरेकल फॉर हर ब्रदर हु वॉज सिक. टीज मनी से अपने भाई के लिए मिरेकल खरीदना चाहती थी जो कि एक बीमार था. सो टीज नीड मनी फॉर बाइंग मिरेकल फॉर हर ब्रदर हु वॉज सिक. नेक्स्ट इज वॉट वॉज द मिरेकल अकॉर्डिंग टू हर. उसके अनुसार मिरेकल क्या था. According to her, the miracle is a thing which she can buy from pharmacy and would help to save her brother. उसके अनुसार मिरेकल एक चीज़ होता है जो दुकान पर मिलता है, जनरली फार्मेसी शॉप पे मिलता है. एंड बाय यूजिंग डैट शी कैन सेव हर ब्रदर. और जिसका इस्तेमाल करके वो अपने भाई को बचा सकती है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू हर द मिरेकल इज ए थिंग विच शी कैन बाइंग फ्रॉम फार्मेसी एंड वुड हेल्प टू सेव हर ब्रदर. नेक्स्ट इज वाई डिड सी गेट इम्पेशेंट एट द फार्मेसी. मीन्स फार्मेसी शॉप पे वो एकदम से इम्पेशेंट क्यों हो गई. सी गॉट इम्पेशेंट एट द फार्मेसी बिकॉज द फार्मेसिस्ट वॉज बिजी टॉकिंग टू अनदर मैन. वह इसलिए अधैर्यशील हो गई या इम्पेशेंट हो गई क्योंकि उस समय जो फार्मेसिस्ट थे वो किसी और से बात करने में बिजी थे. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ मच डिड द मिरेकल कॉस्ट. मिरेकल की क्या कीमत थी. So the miracle cost was $1.11 and the faith of a little child. So miracle की जो कीमत थी वो $1 और 11 सेंट थी. इसके अलावा उस छोटी बच्ची का धैर्य और विश्वास भी था. So student, the next exercise is on the basis of your reading of the passage. Complete the following statement as briefly as possible. Write the answer in the space provided. So what you have to do? You have to complete the sentence that is given in the book. So first is Taze broke her piggy bank because she wanted to see how much money she had. So you have to fill she wanted to see how much money she had. Next is at the pharmacy TC made weird sound because to draw pharmacist attention. Next is Taze had come to the pharmacy to buy miracle. Next is the pharmacist brother was listening to the conversation because he was stooped down and he was Dr. Carlton Armstrong, a surgeon. Student, next is pick a word from the box to replace the underlined word in each sentence given below. So here is given the fill in the blanks type sentences and you have to fill the substitute of the word that is underlined as like from the clue that is given. So first is Rani was weak and the pain was intolerable but she was determined. So what you will fill here? You will have to fill the given space adamant, 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 to go home. Next is it will be a wonder. Next word will be filled miracle. If Mohit passes the exam because he never studies. Next is I went to chemist shop means pharmacy to buy medicine. Next is I am not very sure means confused about this answer. So question number G. Give a suitable title to the passage apart from what is already given. So हमें क्या करना है. हमें यहाँ पे suitable title एक लिखना है. हालांकि टाइटल ऑलरेडी दिया गया है. ए सुटेबल टाइटल टू द पैसेज अपार्ट फ्रॉम व्हाट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इज एन अनशेकेबल फेथ. मीन्स आप इस स्टोरी को एक और टाइटल या एक और नाम दे सकते हैं. सो मैंने क्या दिया है, एन अनशेकेबल फेथ. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट लेसन डज द स्टोरी टीच. ये स्टोरी हमें क्या पाठ पढ़ाती है या व्हाट message do we get from this lesson. So the story teaches us that we should never lose our hope and always have a positive attitude towards our goals. यानी कि हमें कभी भी धैर्य नहीं खोना चाहिए और हमेशा एक सकारात्मक सोच बनाए रखना चाहिए अपने उद्देश्य या लक्ष्य को लेकर. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज फिनिश, या द रिविजन ऑफ फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज फिनिश. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेकेंड चैप्टर. ओके. So chapter second is a soulful experience. A soulful experience means a very pleasureful experience. The story is, although I have already taught this lesson, you can see the previous video. Okay, let's see the question answer. So question answer number A is, What was the purpose of the author's visit to India? यानी कि अथर यानी लेखक के इंडिया आने का क्या पर्पस था, क्या उद्देश्य था. सो द पर्पस ऑफ द अथर्स विजिट टू इंडिया इज डैट शी हैड ऑलवेज बीन फैसिनेटेड बाय द इंडियन dances and wanted to learn the art from a guru. सो अथर के भारत आने का पर्पस ये था कि वो हमेशा से भारतीय नृत्य के प्रति काफ़ी आकर्षित रही थी एंड वह चाहती थी यहाँ की कला को किसी गुरु से सीखना. सो द पर्पस ऑफ द अथर्स विजिट टू इंडिया इज डैट शी हैड ऑलवेज बीन फैसिनेटेड बाय द इंडियन डांसेस एंड वांटेड टू लर्न द आर्ट फ्रॉम अ गुरु. नेक्स्ट इज, राइट टू यूनिक थिंग्स अबाउट द पैशन डैट द होस्ट फैमिली शेयर्ड. यानी कि आपको दो यूनिक अद्वितीय अनोखी चीज़ों के बारे में यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है जो वो होस्ट फैमिली विथ हुम राइटर वॉज स्टे ऑफ. राइटर जिनके साथ रहती थी या रुकी थी उस फैमिली की दो यूनिक चीज़ों को आपको यहाँ मेंशन करना है. सो टू यूनिक थिंग्स अबाउट द पैशन डैट द होस्ट फैमिली शेयर्ड आर, फर्स्ट इज ए लार्ज फैमिली कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 3 generations. First is a large family consisting of 3 generations that live together. First is a large family consisting of 3 generations that live together. Second is practice their art together. First is a large family consisting 3 generations that live together, and next is practice their art together. Question number C is, what makes the author want to come back to India? Means what was the thing that author wants to come back to India? यानी क्या चीज़ें थी जिस वजह से वह दोबारा इंडिया आना चाहती थी. So the warmth shown towards her and the love for the art among Indians make the author want to come back to India. यानी कि the appreciation, प्रशंसा और अपनी कला को लेकर भारतीयों में जो उत्साह है, ये सब चीज़ों को लेकर वो दोबारा इंडिया आना चाहती थी. द वार्मथ शोन टुवर्ड्स हर एंड द लव फॉर द आर्ट एमंग इंडिया मेक द अथर वांट टू कम बैक टू इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज द स्टोरी इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए ट्रैवल गाइड रिटन फ्रॉम वन एक्सपीरियंस. नेक्स्ट इज ए रिकंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एन इमेज डिटेल. थर्ड इज ए रिकलेक्शन ऑफ द पास्ट इवेंट. सो the number third is right because it is a recollection. ये एक तरह से experience है that the author had described as a story. Next is put a tick for the sentences that are correct, cross out the incorrect ones, then rewrite the incorrect sentences correctly in your notebook. So student, you only have to tick the right and wrong. You don't have to write in your notebook. You just only have to tick the right and wrong. So let's see. The author learned act depicting Lord Krishna and Lord Rama. Yes. Next month the dance performance will be in Chennai. No, it will be in the next year. Next is the author's dance performance was held in India Auditorium. No, it was in somewhere else. The key component of Kathak is footwork. Correct. Right. Kathak is mainly used to express a poem. Wrong. It also expresses the depict also. Next is use the following words in sentences of your own. First is vividly. So author vividly remember the day when she landed in Delhi. The first sentence is author vividly remember the day when she landed in Delhi. Next is venture. As a Indian, Neeta has never ventured out of Asia. Next is overwhelming. She was touched by the overwhelming response of the audience. She was touched by the overwhelming response of the audience. Next is applaud. People applauded us with an open heart. Next is which words in the passage are used to describe the following. First is garland. So completed sentence is a huge garland. Flowers, orange flowers. Audience, Indian audience. Next, bells, the small bells. Next is find suitable words from the passage to complete the following sentences. First is put things where they will be convenient to you. Put things where they will be convenient to you. Next is what is the painting depicting. Next is Gagan is the best student in the class because she has a fascination for learning. Next is Maria was dressed in a white gown that highlighted her differ complexion. So student, this is the revision video. Do as much as possible because it is your unit test and this chapter is definitely come. So revise all the lesson of first and second. Thank you.